Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got my second beauty box unboxing for May and it is Glossybox. This is a bit of a spoiler video. You won't be able to subscribe and receive this box until the 1st of May. If you subscribe now, then your first box will be the April and then you'll get your May box. You'll find all details and links to Glossybox down below in my description. So down there you'll see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites as well. So you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So the cost of the subscription is £13.50 a month and inside you get 5 beauty treats and the minimum value of each box is £50. You can opt for like a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost, or you can take out a monthly subscription where you've got more control if you want to cancel. I have a refer a friend code which I'll pop up on the screen and I'll pop it down below as well, and that'll entitle you to have £5 off your first box, so bringing down your box to £8.50. I've had a message to say that Glossybox are going to be sending me out their brand new travel minis edit that's coming out soon. I don't know all the details yet. I've just had a message to say that they want to send me one, so I'll be unboxing that as soon as I receive it. So if you're not already following me on here, then make sure to click the subscribe button. So yeah, so let's get on showing you then what's inside. I don't even know what's inside. I can't remember. I saw an email a few days ago telling us that we'll be receiving it and a list of the products inside, but I can't remember. Okay. Oh, there's a QR code there. Right, a little sneak peek. Doubt if I'd be able to get any information up because it's not the first yet, but I'll give it a go. You never know. And it has. It's brought information about it. Okay. Scan for an exclusive preview of our special design June bag and our upcoming limited edition. Right, okay, I can tell you all about it now. So if you are a subscriber to Glossybox, or if you decide to subscribe to Glossybox, sometimes you'll receive an email giving you an option of what shade of blush or shade of lipstick you'd like. That's always good. So yeah, so next month then we'll be getting a limited edition beauty bag instead of a box. They always do this around this time of year. So no information really about it except for the theme is glow all summer and it's a special design. That's all. And then there's no photos, it's just information. Another one of our exclusive limited editions is dropping this June, featuring iconic names like Medicate, Sol de Janeiro and Morphe. Oh, maybe the travel edit which I was messaged about. That is the one that's coming out in June. That's quite early to receive it though. I'm sure they said I'm getting it next week. I'll find out, and as soon as I can post it up, I will. It's good that I've got all the information about the products here so I can tell you about them as we go along. Right then, so let's start off with a product by e.l.f. This is Sun Touchable Wow Glow, and it's SPF 30 sunscreen. It's a sheer champagne shimmer sunlight. Okay, so it's a sun protection and a makeup primer, and there's 50 mils here. I haven't tried this before, so it's new for me. Oh, I like the sound of this. It's SPF 30, so it's one I would wear now. As we head more into the summer months, I always go up to a 50. I wear 50 most of the time anyway, but I still do wear 30. I've noticed the expiry date at the end of September this year, so I just thought I'd mention that. It contains aloe, hyaluronic acid and squalene. This is full size and retails for £14. I just want to try a little bit on my hand to see how shimmery it is. Oh, it feels really nice and thick. So it's an SPF and a primer in one. Now for me, you're seeing this before me really, I prefer something that would give like a dewy sheen to my face as opposed to full on shimmer. Like I do not get on with Charlotte Tilbury's Flawless Filter. It just, oh, it's horrific on my skin. It just shows up every pore, line, everything. I just don't like it. So just to give you an idea of the type of products I like and don't like. Oh my gosh, my eyes are blinding now. I'm just staring straight into the light. I can't see it on my hands. That's all I can see is light. It's not shimmery. It's more like a nopal sort of sheen. I think that'd be quite nice. It's got the sunscreen smell. You know, the traditional beachy type smell. Not like your Sol de Janeiro's or anything like that, but your old-fashioned sunscreen. Or when I was younger, I used to call it suntan lotion. Never wanted a suntan. Yeah, now that that's dried down on my hand, I'm not sure how much you'll be able to tell. Can you see a little sheen there? I think that's nice. I do. I really like that. I can see more on my hand actually. I don't want to look like a robot. We'll have to see what it's like. It might be really pretty. But yeah, I'm excited to try it, see what it's like. It's sheer champagne shimmer. Can I give you any extra information about it? For May's edit, we let you choose your own product, selecting from 3 shades of the e.l.f. Skin Sun Touchables Glow SPF 30, a lightweight broad spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen that doubles as a makeup primer and leaves skin with a glowy radiance. There's Sunbeam, Sunburst and Sunlight. I have got the Sunlight one. Have I? Yeah, I got the Sunlight one. It doesn't show me the others on there. So if you're a subscriber, you already know all about this because you would have chosen your shade by now. But yeah, there's that. Next we've got a duo, a shampoo and conditioner duo. This is by Wild Science. This is Sunset Shine Refreshing Conditioner and Shampoo. The shampoo contains rosewater and sea salt, and the conditioner shea butter and coconut oil, and they're both 40 mils there. Love it when we get a duo. I don't like it when we just get a shampoo or a conditioner on its own, unless it's like a conditioning mask or something. These are worth £6 each. If you love Wild Science Lab products, they've got a code here. If you use code GLOSSY on their website, which is wildsciencelab.com, you can get 30% off. Experience the ultimate refreshment for your hair and scalp with our Sunlit Shine Refreshing Shampoo. It provides an instant cooling sensation while effectively cleansing impurities. Your hair will feel soft, lightweight and radiant with a Sunlit Shine, 93% naturally derived, free from silicons, parabens and sulfates, vegan and cruelty free. And the conditioner is lightweight and it hydrates and refreshes, leaving it soft, smooth and full of life. Well, they sound nice, don't they? I have to have a sniff. Eucalyptusy lemongrass type smell. So you're happy with those. Then we have got Anatomicals. This is Make Your Skin Grin Mango and Papaya Body Lotion. We used to see a lot of products from this brand in beauty boxes over the last couple of years, but I haven't seen them for a while, and they do the most amazing smelling products. You might be happy in your skin, but could your skin be, well, happier? Give it a reason to constantly smile with this rich, fragrant and hydrating body lotion, as we're prone to say it's a sin not to grin. Put it on this hand here. So mango and papaya. I know I'm gonna love this. I love, love, love fruity smells. Oh my word. Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh, that just reminds me of a drink. There is a fizzy drink that you buy in a can, and I think it's full of loads of colours. Think purples and oranges. It's got like a mango peachy type smell, papaya obviously. Taste, I mean. It just smells identical to that. It is gorgeous. Yeah, it feels nice on my hand as well. Okay, what can I tell you about it? So this is deluxe size and it is worth £5. With a scent of exotic fruits that enliven the senses, evoke warmer months to come and genuinely leave you and your body beaming with health, vigour and vitality. Smelling it, no. I love it. I really, really love that smell. Last item, we have got Delila. I can hardly see it. This is an eyeliner, long wear retractable pencil, but what colour are you? I can't read it. I'll have to look online. What's it say? This is full size and it is worth £23. Eyeliner is a long wearing waterproof eyeliner with a built-in sharpener. This super soft creamy texture has intense colour and glides beautifully onto the eyes without smudging or fading. Lasts up to 12 hours. At the other end, the cap pulls off to reveal a sharpener. Okay. Oh, I can just about see it. It's called Twig. So there's the little sharpener. And there's the eyeliner. I like this colour. Yeah, a nice soft pencil there. What's it like to blend out? Yeah, no, that's nice, isn't it? Yeah. It's got an eyeliner by Delila. I got to admit, I was expecting another item actually, but these two are classed as individuals and not like come as a duo. So we've got a makeup primer and SPF in one from e.l.f. We've got Anatomical's gorgeous smelling body lotion. We've got a Sunlit Shine shampoo and conditioner from Wild Science Lab. And then we've got a eyeliner as well from Delila. To subscribe, it'll cost you £13.50. If you use my code, it'll bring it down to £8.50. Ah, does it have a total value? What this is worth, I can tot it up, hold on. So it all comes to £54. My maths isn't the best, but I'm sure I'm alright with this one. So yeah, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? Are you excited to receive it? If you are a subscriber, let me know what you think, even if you think, nah, it's not for you this month. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.